Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abby. Welcome back. See, I am trying to upload at least once a week. See, I've been doing pretty good. Anyway, so welcome. I just noticed that I posted how to install these box braids and I didn't even come back and show you guys how to style them. How dare I? I'm so sorry. Anyway, so I decided to come back and show you guys how to style these amazing box braids, because they're just if you're not gonna style them, what's the point, right? Anyway, so yeah, they're still doing pretty good. I've had this for at least 30 days. I think I had it for 34 days today. Anyway, I just filmed it late, that's why. Anyway, so yeah, this is how it looks. It's obviously not in a good condition. I'm gonna take them out soon, but I think I'm going to film something special before I take it out, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, so these box braids, they're extremely, sorry, they're extremely long. I'm almost 5'9", and it hits, the longest braid hits my mid-thigh. Okay, so can you take a second and just take that in? It hits my mid-thigh. Okay, it's just so heavy. Sometimes these braids, they give me headache because it's just, they're so heavy. But I love them so much. I'm so happy that I was able to braid these by myself and I was able to film it and show it to you guys. I hope you guys watched it. Of course, I'm gonna link it down below in case you missed it. What? I usually grab it from this area. That you don't have to go all the way high, just this area. And just take it to the back and either tie it with a hair tie or just tie it to the back like this. Look how cute and simple it looks. Oh my goodness. And it just looks like this. That's really cute, right? The next look that I'm going to show you guys, actually. So I'm just going to take a chunk of hair like this. And I'm gonna French braid first 2-3 roll. Not roll, roll. And then braid the hair normally after that, if that makes sense. I'm just going to take a piece of hair from here. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very cute. It's so cute. And I mean, I've seen many people rock this, but still unique. The back looks like this. Last but not least, French braids. Voila. French braid. Fresh braid. French braid. Look how cute this is. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. So I took one of the braids off, this one. So I just did a 2-strand twist and decided to wrap around this one, and it's poking out. How embarrassing. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. It was just like a mini like show and tell, not show and tell, how I style my braids kind of video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was not too basic, and I will come back in another video. God bless you. Love ya.